Welcome back to Sniffs in the laundry room. And we sniff scents.
In the laundry room.
And tell you how they sniff. I mean smell.
Alright, today we have Shire Sunrise. It's part of the Lord of the Rings collection. Does it smell good or bad?
I don't really know. I just know it smells like a different thing.
It smells like a different thing.
What
Does it smell like a cologne?
A cologne? I'm messing with my hair.
What does it smell like?
Bro, what is going on?
It's doing a spin cycle. What does it remind you of?
What would you describe it?
To me, it's like an outdoorsy man.
Like a caveman?
No, like a manly man.
A manly man. No, duh.
Listen,
a man
Linda,
is manly.
let me finish. Okay. Maybe like a Matthew McConaughey hiking through the mountains where it's like cool weather, it's not sweaty. He smells real nice. What would you rate it?
7 out of 10.
Yeah, I'd probably do the same. Thank you for joining us on Sniffs from the Laundry Room.